Hey guys, Nick Motor today from Mark Supply Company to have for you a 2019 Kubota BX23S with an LA 340 quick attach loader, and we have the BT603 backhoe on the back of this along with the thumb. Tractor has 277 hours on it. Very, very nice one owner clean tractor. We just did a full service, all filters and oils are changed. This is the version of the BX where it comes tractor loader backhoe. If you want a belly mower deck for under this, I do have an almost brand new RCK 60-23BX 60-inch belly mower for underneath it that can be priced separately. It will not come with the tractor, but I do have one available. So very, very nice tractor here. We just did a full service again. All filters and oils have been changed. It is 100% ready to go to work. We'll start here underneath the hood, take it completely around this tractor. Now, this tractor still has powertrain warranty until 9/4 of 2025. So it does have powertrain warranty left, engine, hydraulic, and transmission on this tractor. Tractor is going to be powered by a Kubota D902 3-cylinder diesel engine. Starts and runs excellent. There's no abnormal noise, smoke, blow by, anything of that nature. We have went ahead, we've changed all filters and oils with OEM Kubota filters and products, and it is 100% fully serviced, ready to go to work. That's how we like to sell our stuff, and that way we know that it was taken care of. Hood's in nice shape. It's not dented. A couple little wee, small superficial scratches, but it's in very, very nice shape. Up front, does have the 48-inch bucket with the bolt-on cutting edge, and someone did add, and they did a decent job, so we left it alone. They did put a little lifting hook, and they put a 2-inch receiver in there, so if you needed to move a trailer around, you could do that, okay? R4 tire package. Again, here on the back, you got the BT603 backhoe attachment. We do have all the locking pins here, so the locking pin for the boom end, for the swivel are there, and it does come with the OEM Kubota manual thumb, so you can pull your pin, move your strut, and operate your thumb, which is a very handy tool to have. It does have your folding roll bar. This is a manual holder back here in the back of the seat. I recommend always keep them inside, but it does have that holder. Joystick loader control, high-low range, 4-wheel drive. It is equipped again and ready for a belly mower deck, and can be added at any time. Cubby hole over here, power supply, 12-volt power supply, cup holder. Your mid PTO and rear PTO stuff is all here. We'll show you here at the dash, 277 hours. The BX23S does have a tilt steering wheel, which is very nice. Now, on this version of this piece of equipment, the seats on these, till you get used to turning them around, which I just bumped the backhoe lever, you have to get used to pivoting these around. It's no different than anything else out there till you do it a couple times and you get used to it. This is how that is. You're going to take it, tilt it back around like this. It's just kind of a sequence of how to use it. So, I'm going to fire this thing up. First thing I'm going to do is lift that backhoe back up. We're going to go ahead, we're going to run this machine around and show you it does everything it is supposed to do. So these little backhoes, they truthfully are an awesome little machine. They are a true, I'll show you here if 4-wheel drive works. They are a 4-wheel drive out. They are a true nice little subframe backhoe. The biggest thing with the Kubota is that you have to, if you want a backhoe for new, you need to buy it set up like this from new. You're not going to buy a 2380 and then put a backhoe on the back of it. Kubota setup does not do that. They actually have a lot heavier rear end in them than most tractors, and they do that because of the abuse of the backhoe, the guys using them. So a lot of your other tractors are a add-on after the fact. Kubota does it this way, where you buy one tractor, it's tractor loader backhoe, and you can take the backhoe off, you can put a mower, a 3-point on it. One other nice thing is the BX23S, just like its predecessor, the BX25D, you can have a mower deck on with the backhoe on and use it. So that's really nice ability to have that. A lot of other backhoes out there don't have that ability, so, which is nice. We sell a fair amount of these. I buy them anytime I can find them, because there again, I think they're a great little tractor. As far as them, Kubota building a tough little tractor loader backhoe, you have to understand, Kubota has built the tractor loader backhoe stuff for years. They know and understand their market. They do build a tough little tractor. So what's nice, I can reach up here, grab my throttle, put my outriggers down. So with these little tractors, it's amazing what you can, honest to God, do with them. They have a lot of power. You see it picks itself up. Very impressive little tractor. And if you're looking for something there again, around your property, around your home, a little farmette, and you want to do some work, you can do some work on these little tractors. The other nice thing it does, it gives you a lot of versatility if you want to add down the road, like we talked about, belly mower, 3-point kit. You can do a lot of different stuff. So that's nice to have that ability also. Pick our outriggers back up. No oil leaks on this machine. And again, we went through, serviced it. Very good, clean little machine. Now, one thing we'll do here, I'm going to go ahead, we're going to put our boom lock pin in. So there it is. Then you also have here a swivel lock pin, and it goes right there. That's all there is to it. So you're going to go ahead, back down off this little guy. We're going to unclip the seat. We're going to take him right out here. We're going to rotate him around. You actually hear it click. When it clicks, it tells you it's in the position that it needs to be to go ahead and lock back in place. Another thing, they move the joystick down here. It's a lot nicer. Headlights, 4-ways, turn signals all work just the way they're supposed to. You do have a tilt steering wheel, you do have cruise control. Always lock your park brake before exiting the tractor. But 2019 Kubota BX23S, bolt on cutting edge on the bucket, R4 tires. You do have the OEM Kubota thumb and 12-inch bucket, BT 603 backhoe attachment, subframe mount, LA 340 quick attach loader. Now, again, if you are looking for a mower deck, we do have one available for sale separately, which we will install on the tractor. If you have any questions whatsoever, 814-658-3066. You are almost at 20, well, you are at $29,800 today for a new one. We've priced this tractor very, very competitively in the market. And keep in mind, this still has powertrain warranty until 9/4 of 2025. So engine, transmission, hydraulic system. If you have any questions, 814-658-3066. As always, check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. And as always, you have a question, need help on freight, just let us know. We'll be glad to help you. 814-658-3066. As always, have a great day.